Are you irritated when saving your important Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation only to discover it's corrupted when you try to open it the next time? Your worry should be gone, as we are now introducing an amazing software to address this problem. SOS Click is an add-on for Microsoft Office which allows you to save your files in different places in one click. First, download the SOS Click software and install it on your computer. Next, open the relevant Office application, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and you'll see a new icon group called SOS Click as part of the ribbon interface containing two buttons, Settings and Save. Clicking on the Settings button will bring you to the main window where you can set your file destination, the place where you want to save your file. You can save your file in up to 7 places in one click. Click on three-dot button to browse, select your destination, and then click on the OK button. You can also enable or disable places in case you don't need them for a certain file. There are also several other options for saving your files, including: connect your USB storage device, click on a field where you want to save, and then click on the USB storage device detection button to automatically set the storage device path in that chosen field. If you have Dropbox installed, the Dropbox button can automatically look for its installation and set up its field accordingly. Here you benefit twice. Not only do you enjoy saving to the places you define, but also benefit from Dropbox's own service. The same holds true when setting up Google Drive. Click on it and select your destination, and your file will be uploaded to Google Drive root folder. In the autosave section you can set time intervals like every 5 minutes, so it will automatically save your file every 5 minutes. In the mail setting you can set your email, and after that the file will be sent to the email address of your choice. Thanks for watching this video.